If you are looking for a way to dive deep into what buyers are searching for on Etsy, not only using the noun keywords, but also using descriptors, check out the Trending on Etsy tool. Once you're there, you can see data, typically from the past 30 days, although you can adjust it to be yesterday or the past 7 days as well. And default for me at least is the US, but you can pick from a bunch of different countries on here as well. Using the tabs at the top, you can see which colors, types of products, recipients, styles, and materials are being popular right now. So for materials, it looks like gold, glass, silver, wood, leather, fabric, metal, wooden, linen, and stone are the top 10 that have been trending over the past month. But you can scroll down a little bit and see where other things such as different gemstones or different types of wood rank so that you can help plan your future collections, targeting those trending materials that are hot right now. You can also see things such as styles. Right now, it's the end of spring, so summer is number one in terms of styles. But things that are also summery, like floral, beach, outdoor, those are all also trending. So that's great knowledge to have so that you can plan for right now, perhaps if you sell digital items, but also plan for next year. So you know, hey, in the spring, I really already need to have my summer things listed because this is when people are shopping for those. You can also see recipients in terms of relative popularity. Baby is number one for gifts, followed by mom, teacher, men's, dog, men, women, cat, girl, and dad. Since Mother's Day is in May in the US and Father's Day is in June in the US, mom and dad tend to trend higher in the spring versus in the fall. Something else to keep an eye on. Let's check out colors. Colors, it looks like gold is the hot color right now, but also black, silver, pink, blue, white, red, green, rose, and yellow. This is a really useful tool if you have a lot of different colors that you can make things in, what maybe to change your thumbnail to. Because a lot of times people are just scrolling on the search result pages. And if they see a color that pops out to them that is really trendy and popular right now, it may get more clicks than a listing that has a thumbnail with a color that isn't in style right now. Just something to think about. And as always, you can look at the most trending keywords for the past 30 days. Wall art, personalized jewelry are hot right now. Earrings, other jewelry, graduation gifts, Mother's Day gifts, home decor, keychains, you name it. Take some time to explore this tool and see how it can help you plan your future collections and adjust any keywords in your shop right now.